We are here at Lotus Cars in Hethel. We've just been here all day with Alex, our winner of our Lotus Elise, behind us, as you can see. So yeah, he's had a pretty busy day. He's actually, I think, out on the track as we speak. He was driving, I think, each and every Lotus we had lined up outside, but he's I think he's actually being driven around now. Oh, here he is. We were just speaking about you, actually. Sorry to catch you off guard. So yeah, Alex, our winner here of our Lotus. We've just been showing the viewers around the car, your very car, and you've just been out on a track. Have you been driving, or have you been?
I was driven then.
You've been driven. So how was that?
Does he on the
No, he doesn't. No.
Did you this time see the speeds? Because I know before you said you weren't too sure on how fast you were driving, but
120 plus. Yeah, fast enough. I was holding on to the seat. But...
Yeah, I mean, it's good to get that opportunity to do that, because once you drive this, you probably won't get the chance to go that sort of speed on normal roads.
No.
And how's your day been though, generally?
It's been amazing. Yeah, non-stop, just one thing after another. One of the best days ever. Just share it with my son as well and my friend. It's been pretty epic. So it's definitely one to remember. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So we're going to go and have a look outside as well. I think at the cars that you've been trying. So thank you for that. We'll go and check out outside before it gets too dark, so you can have a look at what cars we've been. We've all had the pleasure of being taken out on today. So as you can see, the Exige just shooting off there. That's the one that we've all had a little taste in today.
Should we head over to the track, see if we can see it?
Yeah, let's see if we can see it in action. Yeah, you can see what we've been through today. We've all had a chance of sitting in the passenger seat of the Exige and being whizzed around for 3 laps of Lotus's track here. So that's their dedicated track they've got here in Hethel in Norfolk. So we've had the pleasure of coming here as a team today, meeting Alex, of course, and his son and his friend, who've had an amazing day being taken out in all the cars, but they've also had a chance to drive the cars themselves as well. And we've also had a tour of the factory. So of course here in Hethel we've got the production line of all the cars that are being, all the Lotus cars that are being actually manufactured as we speak. But also they've got their classic outfit as well. So their classic cars, or the historic Formula One race cars. We've had a trip around, almost like a museum of the history of Lotus cars. So we've managed to do that as well. So we've had a pretty jam-packed day. Let's put it that way. And we're now about to head over to the track, where I think it looks like...
Here you go, there's one coming past now.
The Exige is...
No, he's parking up.
There are Lotuses everywhere, so yeah, you don't have to go far to find one that is parked up somewhere. But yeah, let's have a look at the track. You'll be able to see some of the cars racing around there now.
Coming along the home straight in not too long. So lots of people watching along. Hello everyone.
Yeah,
Trevor's
come and say hello.
Peter's watching.
We've forgotten to say hello to you even, that we're all excited about being here for the day. So yeah, as you can see, have a look round. There'll be a car coming around at any moment.
I think he's going to come from this way.
So
you can probably have
we can see
the Radford. It's on the test track, ready to go. Is it ready to go or not ready to go?
I don't know. This is obviously where they take all the cars out to give them a test run. So we've been, really lucky today to be able to sit in the passenger seat going at 100 plus miles an hour around this track.
Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Oh, we can hear one coming. You can hear the screeches, and honestly, it doesn't even feel as quick when you watch it here as when you're actually inside the car. So yeah, it's been an amazing day, and obviously Alex has had an amazing day with his son as well, who's just 12 years old. He's managed to have, not driving, but he's managed to have a go around the track as well. As you can see, they chicane through there, through the cones.
I think it's Alex's friend behind the wheel of the
oh, really?
Yeah. He's going for it.
Yeah, well, I know they don't hold back. So yeah, we've been 120, 130 mile an hour around this track today. So yeah, it's been pretty quick. And yeah, I mean, it's just been an amazing day. So, well, thank you to Lotus for hosting today. We've had an amazing time. And yeah, we thought we'd give you a little insight as to what our day has been. So yeah, come and say hello.
David's watching along, Ken's watching along, Graham's watching along.
Hello.
Saw a comment, where are you, Charlotte?
Oh, well, we're in Hethel at Lotus Cars. So you might remember a few weeks ago we did, or a couple of weeks ago we did the live draw for our Lotus, it's charity competition. So of course, a mammoth prize, and there was only one winner, of course, which was Alex, and he's here today with his son and his friend for the handover day. So here we are.
Colin says, was there an Amira to try out? There was no Amira, no. There was the Exige, but we saw where the Amira was being made. But unfortunately didn't get to see any out on track just yet. That's looks like Jensen Button in there.
Yes, so we've had, who have we had? We've had Delia Smith, Jake Humphreys, Jensen Button. We've had, an array of people coming and going today. It's been quite an exciting day, for all of us, but of course also Alex, the winner of our Lotus
It's also
Elise.
worth mentioning, as much as this is an amazing day for us here and for Alex, and CSF have been involved, but the key thing on all of this is we raised £100,000 the CSF charity, and that was amazing. So thank you for everyone who's involved. Really sorry, obviously everyone can't experience what Alex is experiencing today, but the money that was raised in this goes a huge way, really. You know, £100,000 incredible. We never thought we would raise that sort of money from the Lotus Elise. So everybody's ecstatic, and it all started off as CSF. Lotus came up with the idea of giving away such an iconic car, and for us to be involved is amazing as well. So yeah, thank you to everyone really who bought a ticket.
Exactly, the first of its kind for us, doing a charity draw like that, where all the proceeds went to the Norwich City Community Sports Foundation. And yeah, I mean, a load of their team were here today as well. So the guys from the team there have managed to have a go on the track as well. So Lotus have been amazing at inviting us all here today, including our winner, and having just a fantastic fun day with all the cars.
Lots of people watching along now that may have missed the very start, so if we have a little bit of a look out of the cars we've been driving today and then pop inside and see probably the last time we'll see our Elise, which is a little bit sad.
Know, exactly. So if you have missed the opening, we are here at Lotus Cars, as you can see. We're here for the handover day of our Lotus Elise, the charity competition that we ran, where we found out who the winner was just a couple of weeks ago. And Alex and his son and his friend have been here all day. They've been driving some of the cars on the Lotus track behind me that we've just had a look at. And yeah, here's just one of the cars that's been taken out today.
That's one of the last times you'll see this as well, because this we saw the last lot on the production line today on our little tour.
Yeah, we had a tour around the factory.
So this was the Elise that Alex was driving. He didn't drive his own car on track. It still needs to be run in. It's a brand new car, so didn't want to drive that at full chat, understandably. So
he's had a little go on his on something that's already been warmed up for him. But yeah, it's been an amazing day, and like Craig said, we're just so pleased to have been able to raise so much money for the Norwich City Community Sports Foundation. Obviously super chuffed for Alex as well, and his son, who no doubt will be enjoying the car over the next few months and years.
Not Not sure who's just been out for a test drive, but
one's coming back. I think there'll be someone from the Norwich City Community Sports Foundation, actually. So they've just taken that out for a little spin around the track. I say little, we got three laps, and each lap, if you've been driven by one of the, a lot of them are ex-Formula One racing car drivers, so they certainly don't go slowly. So yeah, here we are, we're back at Lotus Cars, the hub here in Hethel. As you can see, part of the bridge team. Oh, we're all driven out now. We're lacking in energy. It's come to the end of the day. We've had quite an exhilarating day, all told.
Someone mentioned the Emira.
Oh yes, of course, the Emira.
not the real one, of course, but.
And of course, our Lotus Elise, or Alex's Lotus Elise, should we say. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, thank you again to everybody who played along. It's all of you that have bought tickets on this competition. It's gone to an incredibly worthy cause, the Norwich City Community Sports Foundation. So thank you for everyone that played along, and yeah, we'll see you again soon for the next live draw.